Hi friends, Mamsi Marian here. Let me share with you our book sale haul in North EDSA, SM North EDSA. So, parang twice tayo magkasunod na week or days that we were in North EDSA. So, ayan, we have two sets of haul from SM North book sale. First batch is ayan, Dare to Be. So it's a journal. Is it a journal? Basta ang ating mga receipt. So it's a journal. Journal siya. May mga blank pages that we can write our thoughts. Dare to Be. I think there are challenges that dare to begin. So, mga challenges with mga thoughts, mga writing, Dare to be real. And then, another one is Dare to build a life you love, growing boldly. Yan. This is the start of something good. Yan, I think this is also a journal. Yan, may mga spaces din for us to write our thoughts and what we would like to share the world. So, eventually, maging book natin ang ating mga writing prompts. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Hi, friend! Hindi pa pala tapos ang ating haul from North EDSA, meron pa. Blessing your husband, an apple a day, help in every realm. Ayan. So, mga sale books sila, kaya yan, medyo madami ang ating haul from SM North. Check. Let's check. Puro mga journals ang ano natin to. A more beautiful life. So, yan. Mas pinipili natin ang journals kasi we can write our thoughts. We can reflect. We can meditate. Yan. Goals gone wrong. Heart explained. Tapos may mga journal prompts siya and space to write our thoughts and our reflection. Guys, thank you for watching. See you on our next video.